Hello friends and welcome to AutoFix. In today's video, we will teach you how to fix the sound problem in the computer. Now, let's just say that your sound stopped working. You updated your computer or not. Somehow your sound is been not working. In order to fix this sound problem, we have to follow 3 steps. I'm going to mention that right away. First, we have to check the sound volume. We have to make sure that it's actual driver problem, because most of people consider it as a driver problem because it comes after update. So first, before we jump in to fix the sound driver, we have to look up into the volume. Look here. You just have to click on this icon, or maybe the sound icon if it is not Windows 10. You see this icon here, right here. You just have to click on this and make sure it's not turned off like this. You see that? You have to make sure it's on like this. Now you must remember that it's using Realtek high definition audio driver. You remember this because this will take you somewhere. Now after you done it, you just click on the sound icon again. Let me just pull it over here and click on troubleshoot sound problems. These are the basic steps that you must follow. Give it a minute. Just give me a moment. Now you see, turn off sound effects and enhancements. Sometimes we plug some devices and they really mess up with this. So we have to make sure that all settings are fine. Just click on next. As soon as you click on next, it will detect the problem, and if possible it will automatically resolve the problem. Click on play test sound. Good, it's working. Now generic audio driver, it's something that is not we are using right now, so it's something that we don't have to care. Just click and okay. Now we are going to do it again. Just right click on it, go to the troubleshoot sound problems. You see, this is how it's working. You just have to open the enhancement also. If you can change the settings and all, you can check the level here. You see that? You can go to the advanced and you can see that is there any application is taking over on your sound or something. So you can check it here too, and then click OK. Next. It's saying resolving the problem. Yes, good. Yeah, it's working. So when it is working, it means it's good. Now there was a generic software which was not detected, and it was causing the problem, but since we are not using that application, so we don't have to worry about that. All we have to do is the general troubleshoot. Second thing, we have to check the keyboard for sound key. There's a sound key on almost every laptop or computer that will enable or disable your sound. For my laptop, it is F6. Let me just push it right away. You see, when I push F6, it's gonna X out the sound. It's gonna close the sound. Then I push it again and it's open. So you look on the keyboard of your computer and try to find out that key which can block your sound. There will be a sound icon on it. If you can't find it, just move to the step 3, driver update. Just push the window key, use your cursor, push the window key like this and type device. As soon as you type the device, you see the device manager on the top as a best match. Open it. Now you must go to the sound, video and game controller. You just click once. Take this, it's a very useful tip, and this will really get your sound working. Just right click on it and scan for hardware changes. That's the first step. Once we're done, just double click on it again and select the Realtek high definition audio. That's why I told you in the beginning to remember the driver. Right click on it and update this driver software. Then click on search automatically for updated driver software. Now give it a minute. I'm just telling you all my experience that I had to put up in because of the sound was not working. So I'm just telling you some extra troubleshooting steps also. Then click on close. After you click on close, I must tell you that you close it, and before you close it, you can just update this one also, the display audio. I'll tell you the reason again later why I told you. Now sometimes we select a different speaker for our sound function, so we just have to click on this icon and go to the sound icon again, right click on it and playback device. In the playback device, we just have to make sure we have configured the speakers right. I'm showing you the steps how to do it. Just go to the sound, right click on it and configure speaker, or you can go to the properties also. You see here, this was the option we have used before, but here it is, configure speakers. Click on test. Now you have checked your both speakers. Finish. Good. That's all. Just close it. And after all this step, if this did not solve the problem, you must uninstall the sound driver. Now, in order to uninstall the sound driver, we just have to do the same. Go to the device manager, open it, go to the sound, video and game controllers, right click on it, go to the properties, make sure it's the correct one, then go to the Realtek high definition audio, right click on it and uninstall it. You click on it and it's boom, it's gone. But make sure after updating your driver, this is the very smart move, restart the computer before you jump into this step. Must remember, you have got to restart your computer after the driver update for sound to work. Okay. Now once you uninstall the sound driver, you must go to the Windows, click the Windows icon, type MS-Info-32. Here you go. Now you can check the system model here. Mine is HP NVX360 convertible. You just remember this, or you can write it down somewhere. Go to the respective owner website, to the HP website. You can go to the hp.com and you can download the sound driver from there. As soon as you download it, just run that application and see if the sound is working. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it did really help you to solve your problem. And let me know if we can help you with anything else. Alright? Thank you. We get back to you with a different video that can really fix all the issues in the computer. It would be a guide. Okay? So keep subscribing, keep commenting. We'll be in touch. Thank you.